So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock tasks in Microsoft Planner. So right now there isn't a direct way that you can do that, but there's a few things you can do in order to get the similar effect with that. So on here, first of all, you will need to go to some plan that you want to add, or rather some uh, project or plan, or however you want to call it, and go to view and add members. So once you've added your new group and you've added members, so that's a very important distinction between member and owner role. So if you've added members, they can delete tasks, so it will be as if they're locked. So they would be able to maybe edit, or rather just to cross them off, to move them about, but they couldn't ultimately delete the task. So you will have that privilege instead of members. That's one way that you can do that. You can also go to here and maybe rename this group to locked. So if you add this and add tasks to lock and notify all the owners that these tasks shouldn't be touched, is uh, a pretty good way to also get across the point that these tasks should be locked. So that means that there shouldn't be any editing. And you can add even people that are on here, so you can assign someone that can have the sole purpose or sole choice of editing or deleting a task. So you can do it through there as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.